Well, it's the end of an era. We're taking down the last 2 Christmas trees that were on our property since we moved in 20 years ago. Because the one on the right's ugly anymore, and the one on the left is too big and overgrown, and well, they just past their prime. So, unfortunately, they got to go. Bye-bye. Tyler and Dylan are going to help me out with this. There's Tyler over here. Cold.
Alright, Dad, it's ready.
What if that didn't happen?
One more time.
Second time's the charm.
Hey Tyler, what did you say whenever you saw us loading that into the truck like that?
I said, look at our redneckism. Oh, we gonna put that tree up there, it's gonna decompress, we gonna fit it all right in there. We put a couple tie downs there, ain't gonna work good.
Hey, we're getting it done. Get her done.
I'm going.
Tight.
Boy. Dad, stop! It's out. Yes.
Mikey, that's a hole.
It's out! That's gonna be a bit of work.
Is it too late to put them back?